foodies, today we are going to make mango Shrikhand or the Amrakhand, which is very famous in Gujarat and in North India. So we are making North Indian dessert. This is hung curd and it is very healthy because it has probiotics, which is very good for your gut health. And I have taken, of course we are making Amrakhand, mango Shrikhand, so we have taken one mango and few chunks I have cut in small pieces. This we are going to add later on for the garnishing and the final touch. And this we are going to puree and later on we are going to add a yogurt or hung curd. And this is condensed milk, this is homemade, and we are not going to use whole of this. We are just going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons condensed milk. This is little more than 1/4 cup of sugar. This is powdered sugar. If you don't have powdered sugar, just take your regular sugar and just grind it in your mixie for a few pulses, and your powder sugar is ready. And for decoration, I have used these tutti fruities and a little crushed elaichi or cardamom powder. So let's get started. First, what we are going to do is puree our mangoes and keep it aside. Our mango puree is ready. Let's transfer this in a bowl. Just take a big bowl and take our hung curd, which is almost 1 cup. And we are going to whisk it. You can use an electric whisker or you can use like this. This will take a little more time, but just whisk it and make it a smooth and fluffy. And next we are going to add is sugar. This is little more than 1/4 cup. If you like to add little more, you can. Definitely you can. Sugar, you use sugar according to your taste. Let's mix it well. I am adding 1 spoon, 1 or 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. This is homemade condensed milk. You can use store-bought also, and if you don't want to use it, you can skip this condensed milk. I'm just adding this just to give it a nice creamy and caramelized flavor. Now we are going to add mango puree. And the next we are going to add is just give it a flavor. So we are using this 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder just to give it a nice and flavor. Just mix it well. Let's mix it well. It becomes nice, creamy and smooth. Scrape the sides. So nice, it becomes so creamy. the chunks, mango chunks. And half the tutti fruities right now. And the rest we are going to use in garnishing. How colorful is it looking? So beautiful. You can have it in your fasting, during your fasting, or you can eat this with your parathas, purees, and whenever when you have cravings for sugar. Now let's plate this. Let's start our plating. Put some petals. Put some flowers. Chunks on it. This gives a nice texture. And gives an intense flavor also. Now add the tutti fruities. Also enhances the taste and make it a bright and colorful. If you like the recipe, please like and subscribe my channel, and please share with your family and friends also. Thank you so much. Enjoy the recipe and let me know how it comes in the comment section below.